Well, good morning. Jayendra Rana here. The product of the day is commercial general liability insurance. Commercial general liability insurance. This commercial general liability insurance provides broad coverage against various third-party risks associated with business operations. It covers third-party bodily injury, property damage, legal defense cost, and liabilities arising from business activities. So why do you need commercial general liability insurance? This is an important question. Because this is one policy which covers numerous risks. Numerous commercial general liability insurance plans are available. These include occurrence-based plan, professional liability plans, broad form commercial plans, and these plans covers the property damage, injuries, losses during services or because of the company's product or on business premises. So some nations have deemed CGL coverage mandatory for certain companies because of the associated dangers. While not mandatory in India, it is still advisable to secure CGL for added protection. So most groups have at least one basic CGL coverage which has benefits over different rules. So this commercial general liability insurance is large in its insurance and encompasses most dangers related to service or product companies. They also call it general liability coverage. The claim can price a fortune to an enterprise, resulting in loss or even shutdown of the employers in some cases. Therefore, investing in long-term commercial general liability coverage might seem like an unnecessary expense initially. Still, this policy has helped numerous organizations stay afloat amid hefty claims and allegations. So commercial general liability insurance is basically third-party liability insurance. It contains features of product and public liability insurance. Product liability includes all damages and losses caused by the company's product or services to a third party. This encompasses health-related damages, medical expense because of product use and property damage. Public liability insurance protects against public claims and cases against a company. It includes settlements in court and compensation fee in most cases. Additionally, it also covers premises, hazards and operations mismanagements. So it helps to understand the difference between claim-based and occurrence-based CGL policies. A claim-based policy activates when a policyholder files a claim, regardless of what the incident occurred. For instance, if you sell wafers and a customer develops a severe disease because of long-term consumption. So the claim filing date holds significance irrespective of the purchase date of the product. The policy protects your business by covering liability claims, including those involving directors and officers. So as a business owner, this coverage safeguards your assets and reputation. Additionally, considering workers' compensation and employment practices, liability is crucial for comprehensive coverage. The occurrence-based policy works from the time when the event of the claim took place. If the policy was active at the time of the event, you get its benefit even if it has expired in the present. There are certain examples of commercial general liability insurance. Let us see a few examples where commercial general liability insurance may help a company. Suppose the customer comes into the business premises and hurts himself during his time there. So he can call a claim on the company for negligence and improper maintenance of the place. But depending on the damage extent, the company might have to pay substantial compensation. This applies even if the injury resulted from the customer's negligence. Now you run a construction service agency. During the servicing, there are chances that the customer's property may face some damages. So neglecting switchboard maintenance may cause significant property, personal and advertising injury, as well as advertising injury during a fire. The company may have to bear the medical and reconstruction cost and the negligence fine. Usual buffers and internal negligence causes its spoiling. So customers experiencing health issues can file suits and the company may cover medical bills. In all the above cases, companies face unexpected cost because of claims by users or customers. This is where a commercial general liability policy comes in and saves you a lot of headache and capital. So how much does commercial general liability insurance costs? The cost of commercial general liability insurance varies based on your chosen insurer, policy, business needs, and revenue. The most basic CGL or general business insurance liability usually costs from rupees 4,000 to 20,000 annually for a small sized business. So the cost of commercial general liability insurance covers a wide range of risks and liabilities associated with insured premises. Our businesses with more complex operations may have to pay high premiums. Specific risky industries may get a higher because of high claim costs. Some companies even spend more than a lakh on foolproof insurance policies. So the cost differs for each organization and changes with the additional policies, deductibles, and other tailored options. Obtain quotes from various companies to get a better idea for your business. Almost all businesses operating in the market are prone to certain risks. So certain industries like food and beverage, pharma, beauty products, and real estate face an elevated risk of insurance claims. This results from a greater chance of an unintentional harm. So service-based companies, including construction, transportation, healthcare services, etc., are also risk-prone. Financial or legal advisory firms may face claims of false promises or dissatisfactory results. Even a small scale companies consider investing in a worthy policy because of unpredictable market shifts and conditions. Every business needs a basic liability insurance to cover potential costs. It's a safe assumption. So what damages does CGL insurance covers? While coverage scope differs for each policy, here are some fundamental factors of commercial general liability insurance. Injury by a product. The company is liable for direct or indirect bodily injury caused by their manufactured products. CGL provides financial support in such cases. Then property damage. The commercial liability policy covers third-party property damage expenses and compensation from the product or service. Advertising errors. A commercial liability insurance policy covers incorrect warnings, unclear guides, and miscommunication causing customer loss. It also covers copyright issues. On-premises injury. The company covers cost for customer or partner injuries on its premises. CGL helps in such situations by providing legal and financial help. Then completed operation. Some policies provide coverage even after the completion of the project. So if a house you construct later leads to problems and damage, the policy covers the related costs. But what is not covered is important. Say for example, employees' injuries, intentional harm, contractual liabilities, internal issues, environmental liabilities. So, every kind of sales or business sales can take this policy. And this is simply easy to having this policy. Reason being, the policy provides bodily injury liability, property damage liability, medical payments, legal defense cost, personal and advertising injury, products completed operations, damage to rented property, pollution liability, contractual liability, act of God perils. So such a wide coverage this policy is providing. And it helps manage everyday business risks effectively. This demonstrates your commitment to managing risk. This covers cost for damages to others' property. Policy provides financial coverage for third-party injury expenses. This ensures your business can handle expensive legal fees. Such a wide coverage is there. But product guarantee, errors and omissions, fraud and dishonesty, wear and tear, intentional acts, war and terrorism, nuclear risk, pollution risk, pre-existing conditions, consequential losses, they are the exclusions. Even taking the claim under the policy is very simple. So the commercial general liability insurance covers bodily injury, property damage, legal defense cost, and advertising injury. Businesses like retailers, contractors, consultants, and event organizers need this insurance for liability protection. The cost varies based on business, size, industry, and coverage limits. It can be bundled with other policies like property insurance for comprehensive coverage. Exclusions include intentional acts, employee injuries, professional errors, and auto accidents. And in case of claim, notify your insurer promptly, provide necessary documentation, and cooperate during the investigation. So this is one simple and most useful policy for businesses. Thank you very much.